Thought I would do a quick follow-up on the microwave box that I made for my parents. I'll turn it on with it open. And then I'll shut it. So you can see a little bit still gets through. My father found some clips that can clip it closed. But as opposed to it being open, it works great. So I wired in a timer, and that's why it turned off. You set it on a timer, and you get a microwave that has a manual dial, and you follow the instructions for the box. I hope this helps everybody.